Video calling games and old-school social interaction sites are the favorites of many to pass the time. In these times of quarantine, these are some places for you to enjoy with your friends and family without leaving home. House Party. You can play in four modes: Gates Who, Heads Up, Trivia, Pictionary, Quick Draw, and a word association game called Ships and Walk. Netflix Party. For those who love to comment on movies but find themselves in the solitude of confinement, there is Netflix Party. It is a Google Chrome extension that is used to view the available content with groups of friends and comment on them via chat. GamePgen. If you can't get hooked on any specific game, GamePgen is your ideal application. In a single app, it has more than 20 different multiplayer games for iPhone or iPad. The application is accessed from iMessage by selecting the contact with whom you want to start an online game, and from there you can choose the game. Purchasy Store gives the possibility to connect your Facebook friends so you can play with whoever you want by inviting them to a table. In addition, it has chat, so you not only limit yourself to playing, but you can talk with who you are playing. Stop. It consists of creating lists of words of a specific theme with an initial letter that the game gives you, and in a limited time you must write all the words. For example, instruments that begin with that initial letter. In Stop, there are several ways to play with your friends. You can invite them from any contact network: WhatsApp, Gmail, Twitter, or even messages.